Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to sign up for a Xiaomi account, making it easy and straightforward. First, navigate to the official Xiaomi account registration page. You will then choose whether to register using your email address or your phone number. After making your selection, simply enter your chosen email or phone number to proceed with the initial verification process. Next, you will need to complete a quick security verification, usually a CAPTCHA, to prove you are not a robot. Following that, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to the email address or phone number you provided. Enter this code accurately. Finally, create a strong password for your account. It should be at least 8 characters long to ensure good security. Now, it is time to fill in a few personal details. Select your country or region from the convenient drop-down menu provided. It is important to carefully review and then accept both the Xiaomi user agreement and their privacy policy. You also have the option to subscribe to receive updates and promotional offers, keeping you informed about new products and services. To complete the process, simply click the Create Account button. Congratulations! Your new Xiaomi account is now fully active and ready for you to use immediately. With your account, you can seamlessly access a wide range of Xiaomi services and products, enhancing your overall experience. Enjoy exploring everything Xiaomi has to offer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.